Their umbrella is blowing away.
I'm not fit enough, guys. I think we came at the perfect time.
Yes, no.
Look at this perfect little beach. So nice. Good morning, everyone, from another day in Lake Garda. We just went to breakfast. I forgot to take my camera again, but I did film a couple of clips on my phone, so I will insert them now. Now I've just come back to the room to get my stuff because we are driving to, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, it's like Limone, something like that. It's basically a 20-minute drive from where we are, and it looks like a very pretty little town on the edge of the lake. I'm not actually feeling great today. I've got a bit of a cold. I've had like a virusy thing on and off for a couple of weeks now, and it seems to go away and then come back. So my voice sounds a bit funny, so that's why. Yeah, just feeling not great, to be honest. But it's very nice outside, it's sunny, it's warm, it's lovely, so I'm very happy to be here, and we are going out now. So this is our hotel up here. I think some of them rooms on the top floor are all of them guys, and then mine is over in this part, over here somewhere. Yeah, and look at the view. It's so nice here. Literally, look at this. Oh, and there they are. They've just come out. I've been out here waiting for them. We're going to get in the car now and drive to Limone. I don't really know how to say it. But let's go. Water's a bit choppy today. Different to yesterday. So we have just arrived, and we're actually in Limone rather than Limone, whatever. That's what you get for letting Teo plan. So yes, we are in Limone, and it is very windy. The water is very rough. Yesterday it was perfectly still, there was like no wind. So yeah, a bit windy today, but we are about to walk into the town and have a look around.
Hi guys, today we are in Limone and it's going to be, it's really windy, but
Oh, there's a boat. The town looks very cute, look at all this. So many cute little lemon themed things. Their umbrella is blowing away. That shows how windy it is. Oh dear. More lemon stuff, lemon sweets. Looks like a whole stuff of lemon drinks and sweets. Pasta. Oh, that's so cute.
pistachio. Oh, they're shots. They're 17%.
Oh my god.
I'm going to get some. We're going to try some.
So
oh, there's
cute.
big ones.
Pasta over there.
Oh, this is cute.
Yeah, we'll go down there.
Bring us out?
Yeah, did you?
No.
Just took one of the hotel ones. His friend's looking up as well.
That's a female and that's a male.
So we are climbing up to a waterfall right now. It's very hot. You can see it up behind this building through there. Taya's not coping well with
Guys.
the 5-minute hike to the waterfall.
I'm not fit enough, guys. I'm very out of breath. I need to get in the gym.
Oh my god. It's just up here. You see it there through the trees. Oh, it is a very steep walk up there. It's literally like 5 minutes, but very steep. And it's very hot. It says it's only 17 degrees, but it does not feel like it. Oh, there's a lot of people up there. Well, that waterfall was cute, and now we are walking along trying to find, there's like this nice kind of pathy bridge thing that goes like above the lake, like follows the edge of the lake up above the water. It looks really nice, and I think it's quite new. I think it hasn't been built very long. So we are walking along there trying to find that. So Taya, what are your thoughts of Lake Garda so far?
I think it's so nice. I think we came at the perfect time because it's quite quiet, but the weather's so nice as well. And it's just everywhere we've been so far, it's like the nicest views, and the weather's like perfect. It's like not too hot, but it's really warm. I'd definitely be back.
It is very lovely. Good views, good vibes. Look at this hotel, 5-star hotel, it looks so nice. Imagine having that view. So we found the like walkway, but the part that actually goes over the lake is a lot further up there, and there's nothing that way other than this, and everyone's hungry, so we are walking back to Limone, and yeah, we're gonna find a restaurant to go for lunch. This is where we are.
Give you my phone back.
Yes. No, you didn't.
We've come to a restaurant for lunch. Some of the food has just arrived. Johnny's carbonara looks really good. We've got some chips. The pizza hasn't come yet. This is the restaurant. You can see the lake and the snowy mountains in the background.
He's liking all this
Me and Taya are sharing half a pizza each.
Lovely.
Look at that tomato sauce.
Nice, nice. Look at this perfect little beach. So nice. So we've come to the beach now, the lake beach. We're just going to walk along in the other direction. The water is so nice, I really want to get in it, but I did not bring my swimming stuff. It looks so lovely though. So we just got back from Limone, that was so nice. That was such a pretty town, amazing views of the lake, lots of really cute shops, nice restaurants. If you're coming to Lake Garda, then I really recommend going there. But now we are back in the hotel and we are just going to go and sit up by the pool, get a bit of sun. What is the time? It's 4:20, so yeah, we should have a few more hours of sun. And then we're going to get ready and we're going to go out for dinner. We're not going to eat in the hotel tonight, we're going to go out somewhere else. We're not sure where yet, but we're going to go somewhere. But yeah, now let's just go up to the pool. I'll show you the pool when we get there. So this is the pool over there. I'm just sat on these sun lounges because they're quite busy over there. I think most of them are full. The others aren't here yet, so it's just me. There's the pool and then view of the lake over there. Lovely. Just thought I'd show you the view again with the nice evening light. So lovely. Oh, and this is my part of the hotel, by the way. I'm down one of these rooms. That's the restaurant along that first floor. So nice. So we are now ready for dinner. We are going to go to a restaurant I think that we saw just down the road from here. We are in a bit of a, what's the word, inconvenient place for this hotel because we are right up the top of the mountain, like up this really, really windy road. It takes 20 minutes just to drive to the bottom and then obviously however long to get to whatever town. So we don't have that many options for food unless we want to drive a long way, but there are a couple of a couple of restaurants up here in the mountains. So yes, I think we are going to go to one of them. We have a lovely view. There's the lovely view.
Unless we ever told you.
So everyone else got pizza. Pizza. Looks good. So, 3 of us got dessert. Me and Mitchell got profiteroles, they look nice. And you got, was that tiramisu?
Tiramisu, yeah.
And I had Aperol.
So we just came back from the restaurant. I've come back to my room now. The other guys are upstairs drinking in the bar. I am not because I don't drink. And because I would sit up there with them, but I am planning to go for a hike early in the morning. Tomorrow we are planning to get the boat across the lake to somewhere else. But before that I wanted to wake up early and just do a little hike on my own. So there is somewhere I'm planning to go. I'm planning to hike up above another lake basically, and there's also a waterfall in the area that I really want to find. So the breakfast starts at 7. I'm going to head to breakfast right when it opens on my own, quickly eat something, and then I will go hike in the morning. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm going to end the video here. I'm very tired again, I don't know why. I'm literally exhausted. Yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know what this video is going to be like. I haven't been filming too much really because yeah, I just kind of want to enjoy the time here rather than constantly filming and shoving a camera in everyone's faces. So yeah, but I hope it's been okay. I hope it's still been kind of interesting. So yes, if you did enjoy it, please give me a like and hype the video if you'd like to. That really helps me out and I appreciate it. But yes, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. So nice. Look at the water from up here.